Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over the Katana Kata Soete-Zuki supported thrust. We'll be having a look at this from the front. We'll be having a look at this from the side. This is Seitei Kata number 9. Now, this technique for which this is named, the supported thrust, is this. Mid-level thrust, I'm supporting the back of the sword, the mene, with my left hand. I'm basically in a palm heel shape here, with the mene in between, running in this notch between my thumb and my forefinger. I do want to be careful that I'm not relaxing the hand, putting my fingers or my thumb in the way of that cutting edge, keeping it right back here. It's not a big slide of the sword, really just a few inches. The actual thrust is much more a matter of my step forward into it. This movement is fairly small. So let's have a look at Soete-Zuki. I've got one opponent off to my left. This is a walking kata. I'm going to be taking 3 steps forward, right, left, and on my third step, my left foot slides back. I turn toward my opponent, and I'm doing a downward oblique cut with my right hand. And I'm stepping in, Soete-Zuki, the supported thrust. My zanshin position is here. Sword edge away from me, running diagonally across from right to left, point down. Then I'm stepping back, chiburi, a basic iijutsu chiburi, and a re-scabbard, note. And then I move back to where I started. Let's have another look at that. A little faster now. Soete-Zuki. Very good. Now let's take a look at this from the side. Soete-Zuki. And 3 steps forward. On my third step, I slide my left foot back to turn, doing a downward oblique cut with my right hand. Then stepping forward with my left foot, Soete-Zuki, supported thrust into the midsection. My zanshin position is here. Then step back, chiburi, note, and then I'm moving back to where I started. All right, let's try that one more time, a little bit quicker now. Soete-Zuki. And that is Kata Soete-Zuki from the front and from the side. Thank you very much for joining me.